This is the world of company secretaries. On this channel, you can watch interviews with company secretaries across the world. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. So, talking about the huge conglomerate like Reliance, generally, sir, what is the expectation from the management from a corporate secretarial department? Because they have 100 things to take care. And corporate secretarial is one of the main pillars to make sure companies on the right side of the law. So, in your experience, what is the expectation from management?
The expectations of any management will be the same, whether it is a small company or a big company. Only thing is the orientation and the focus will be different. See, when you are working for a small company, even if there is a fox paws anywhere, there is a wrong interpretation, there is a non-compliance, nobody bothers much for that. Even a regulator may not even notice that sometimes. Whereas for a bigger conglomerates, bigger companies, this issue will be there. So what always is expected is you have to ensure that 101% compliance, if not 100%. That is very, very important. In fact, let me tell you, Alok, that I joined Reliance in 2005. The way I read Companies Act prior to that and the way I read Companies Act after joining Reliance, it's entirely different. I acknowledged that several times because the section, it looks entirely different when you are implementing that. And being a bigger company, virtually every section we touch more or less, whether it is incorporation of company or till winding up of the companies, we have done virtually everything what is there under the Companies Act. So for that thing, what we require is number one, good subject knowledge. That's why we say that in Reliance, every department, every segment is focused one. Say, for example, up to 2005, throughout my professional life, I handled both secretarial and finance. When I appeared for the interview at Reliance, I have been told very clearly, you can handle only one subject and we are having a vacancy for a person in secretarial department. This is going to be core secretarial. No legal will be there, no finance will be there. It is hardcore secretarial. Would you like to join? Because by that time, I realized that in the coming years, despite the fact you are a qualified chartered accountant or a company secretary, you cannot handle a dual portfolio because of the increasing responsibilities. Okay, so I was looking either for finance or for secretarial, whichever is the opportunity I will get it. I will, because when I was handling both the portfolios, the seat used to become so hard at times. I used to think that I may broke down any time. So I decided around 2004, I think it is the time has come now for me to opt for one department instead of two. So then I thought that which line I have to go. Because finance, no doubt about it, is in comparison, always it is having an edge over this. But then I thought, okay, let me see that it is not the line. Both lines, according to me, are equally important. But the only thing is what the opportunity I will get first, the good opportunity, I will grab that. When I got the call from Reliance, when I got selected, then immediately I thought, okay, let me go with this. But anyway, my affinity towards this profession is also slightly more than chartered accountancy. So that's how
So
it is.
that's nice to know, sir. Being dual qualified, but you're telling that your affinity towards CS is a little more than CA. That's really nice to know, sir.